When you're learning something new or trying to reinforce something that you want to learn, how much time do you take to think about the actual process of learning itself? Even more importantly, are you self-aware of the different learning styles that are most effective for you in your learning? I'm assuming that you do think about these things because you decided to watch this video. But did you know that thinking about how you learn is backed by research as an effective learning strategy itself? It's called metacognitive engagement, and it's very, very powerful. Welcome to Learning and Technology with Frank, where we look at how technology can help us learn and teach more effectively. In this video, we're going to take a look at metacognitive engagement, what it is, how it works, and how we can create learning content that takes advantage of its power. This video is actually part of a series of videos on how understanding the research into how people learn can help improve our learning content creation. The series is sponsored by iSpring, and I'll be demonstrating how to use the iSpring suite to apply these theories when building training content a little bit later on in the video. So, what is metacognitive engagement? Metacognitive engagement refers to the process of actively monitoring, controlling, and assessing your learning processes. It involves thinking about your thinking, understanding your learning preferences, and regulating your learning strategies accordingly so that you can take full advantage of the strategies that are best for you. This self-aware approach to learning helps you become a more effective learner, as you can identify when you understand a concept and when you need more practice. Metacognitive strategies include things like planning how to approach a learning task, monitoring your comprehension and progress, and evaluating the effectiveness of learning strategies that you use to learn. To build this into learning content creators can create their content using iSpring Suite and incorporate opportunities for this self-reflection, for this metacognitive self-reflection, and for different types of learning styles to be accommodated in the content that we create. Let's go take a look. In order to give students the opportunity to think about their thinking or engage in metacognition, we kind of have a couple of different choices. We could have a separate little course that we create in iSpring that talks about how people learn and talks about metacognition. Or we could build opportunities to reflect on what people are learning as they're learning the material. One of the ways that I like to do this, and I'm using a course here on understanding how people learn, is I'll go in and I'll create a slide where I'll have an interaction. And when you go into the interaction, I'll just click on the interaction button here in iSpring. So we'll go to interactions here and I'll edit this interaction. So what I've done with this particular interaction is we've covered a couple of slides, and then in the course I stop and I say, let's think about how we're going to learn. So we take a few moments to reflect on what it is that we're learning. So in this interaction, I've just done a simple 3-step interaction where we're planning ahead. We're going to learn why it's important to write about what we're learning. We're going to reflect and share, and why it's important to reflect and share. I can do a lot with these different interactions. So for example, I could go in and I could insert audio. So I could go back to some things like dual encoding, see the other videos here on the channel where I talk about different learning, research-based learning methodologies. So I could I could record audio here, I could bring imported audio into here, I could even do a text-to-speech where this could be read out loud. So there's lots of different options there. I can also go in and insert videos or pictures, lots of different ways to really make this a nice dynamic type of step so that not only is the student and the learner able to go in and learn about learning, but they're able to reflect on how they're learning about learning, and they're able to do some dual encoding at the same time. So we'll put Carrie in there, and maybe she's gonna, be questioning what's going on, or she's just happy. We'll just put her in there and she's smiling. And so we can put different characters in here. We can position the characters around the screen and such, and just make this a more exciting way to partway through the learning to stop and say, well, what did you think of that concept? What do you think about how you're learning this? We can do all sorts of things that just make the interaction not just about the learning of the subject, but also learning about how we're learning the subject or engaging in that metacognition. Metacognitive engagement is extremely powerful. In my own classes, I see a marked difference between students that take the time to reflect on their learning styles and their preferred methods of learning and those that don't. As powerful as it is, there are other ways that we can learn how to learn more effectively. Check out this video for another research-backed method of learning.